KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
This is KeyDigital's KD-AMP220. It's a 2-channel, 20-watt, 4-ohm amplifier, ideal for conferencing and presentation applications. This compact Class D digital amplifier features an adjustment knob on the front that allows you to select your available input and apply volume level or equalization settings easily. On the rear of the unit, we have other control options for integrating with professional control systems or with the IR remote control. There's RS-232 with discrete level volume sets and EQ settings, and there's also an IR sensor input. We include a 6 feet long IR sensor so that it could be installed in sight for the IR remote control to collect those infrared signals, whereas the amplifier may be installed out of sight, out of mind. On the input side, we have a microphone input on a Phoenix connector, balanced 3-pin Phoenix connector. And what nice feature we have here for the AMP220 is that we can apply phantom power to that microphone input, negating the need for an external audio mixer to provide that power. We also have 2 analog inputs, one on a Phoenix 6-pin Phoenix connector and one on a 3.5mm stereo. And your output is going to be a microphone, a mix of the microphone plus one of the 2, the selected analog audio inputs. On the output side, you have your speaker outputs that could be used in bridged or non-bridged mode. Various mode settings could be seen in the operation manual on KeyDigital.com. And we also have a pass-through port that could be used for cascading to additional AMP220 units or for integrating into other audio systems and distribution systems. This is KD-AMP220.